welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing an affordable summertime makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm super excited. So all the makeup products in this makeup tutorial, except for one item, are all super affordable. They're from the drugstore, super inexpensive, and I'm also going to be using a lot of products from Essence because Essence was very kind enough to send me a PR package with a whole bunch of goodies, and when I opened that package, I got inspired to do so many looks. But one of the main things that came to my mind with a lot of the products that they sent me was doing a summertime, daytime appropriate look. So that is what we are doing today. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Alright, so first I'm going to take a shadow from this Beauty Concepts eyeshadow trio. You can get Beauty Concepts at TJ Maxx for a really inexpensive price. And I am just going to take that light peachy shade right there, and I'm going to pop that into my crease using my crease brush. Now I'm just going to blend out that crease color using my blending brush. Next for my eyes, I'm going to be using this Essence Cosmetics Liquid Metal Shop eyeshadow in the shade 1 Second to Mars, and I'm just going to be blending this out using a small concealer brush. Non-affordable part to this makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara on my upper and lower lashes because I already have this mascara open and I didn't feel like opening up another one and risking it expiring or drying out before I get done using this one. Now, if you want a good drugstore mascara, I really recommend the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I love that mascara. It's literally my favorite from the drugstore. It's super affordable and super inexpensive. I'll have the link down below where I did a review on it last summer. So now I'm just going to go put on this mascara. So now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Rose Champagne as my bronzer. This makes a really good bronzer shade if you're super fair skinned like I am. And these Wet n Wild Color Icon blushes are super inexpensive because they're only like $2 or $3. And to apply that, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush. Next, I'm going to be applying the Essence Mosaic Blush in the shade All You Need Is Pink to the apples of my cheeks. Alrighty, so next I'm going to be using the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in the shade number 10 Be My Highlight. This is a really pretty, subtle, natural highlight, and it's perfect for the daytime. Last but certainly not least, to tie this look together, I'm going to be using the Glossy Love Butter Stick in the shade Sweet as Frosting, and this is from Essence Cosmetics. you guys, that is it for this affordable summertime makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video, and let me know down in the comments below what is some of your favorite products from Essence Cosmetics, because I would love to know. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.